So how much validation do you need from the Western celebrities so you finally start acknowledging your culture, your tradition, your roots? Kendall Jenner wearing pashmina in 2026 was definitely not in our bucket list, but it is not a fashion trend. It is a shift in how much the culture, identity, and architecture is valued nowadays, and most people are missing that. First, let's clear this. Pashmina is not just a fabric. It is a geographical product. It is only found in Changthang Plateau between Ladakh and Tibet, and it is 14,000 to 16,000 feet above the sea level, where the temperature falls to minus 30 degrees. The wool comes from Changra goats. Extreme cold, thin oxygen, and harsh land. That stress creates an ultra thin fiber, which is 12 to 15 microns. You cannot replicate pashmina without the land. Unreplicable geography. True luxury today, it's not about showing the wealth, but it is about showing who you are. Logos and loud branding are losing value. What matters the most now is heritage, imageability, tradition, and most importantly, the emotions. So, in this date and age, you don't just sell products and services, you sell a story, a origin, and a belonging. So when Kendall is wearing pashmina, she is not just wearing a shawl. She is carrying the whole legacy of pashmina with her. She is carrying the stories of millions of people with her. She is carrying the whole heritage, the culture with her. And this is where architecture comes in. People not only just dress differently, but also build differently as per the climate and the region they are in. In Ladakh and Kashmir, due to the cold and sunny climate, the walls are thick, where they absorb the heat in the day and release it during the night. The windows are smaller to protect from heat loss and protecting from the winds. The interiors uses wood because it insulates better in the harsh winters. The houses are compact and closely planned to conserve the heat and to build the community. Houses turn inwards to create privacy, thermal comfort, and emotional safety. Courtyards are strategically placed to protect from the harsh winds and get the sun when required. This architecture is not about aesthetics, it is about survival, climate, and community. Culture is not decoration, culture is climate response system. That's why this moment matters so much, because wherever you go in the world, you carry your people, your culture, and your roots with you. This is not about following the trends, it is about returning back to your roots and being authentic of how you live and how you build and how you are. For architects, the lesson is very simple. Don't design the buildings that could exist anywhere. Design buildings that belong only to that place. Respond to the climate, respect the culture and the people, and stay rooted. And that's how architecture becomes timeless. So when you see pashmina on a global stage, don't just see fashion. See the land, the climate, the people, the identity. And that is where the real architecture is also hidden. Architecture is the mother of all arts, and so should you be.